Yo, I keep just finding shit on the Civic. What the You can't rub it off, it's hardened. It's like some kind of glue or epoxy or something. Like what? Like ooh. So yeah, everybody, just to give some more insight. So this is some work the other ship did, right? As you can see, it's not lining up with the tail light. Check it out. That's how it's supposed to look, right? But what the man them did is them leave it and just put body filler right there for cover it up, but it really didn't cover up the gap. So we have to straighten this. We have to straighten this metal and then put body filler for smooth out all the beatings I'm about to give it. So let the episode begin. Alright people, we're closing up the gap. So you can see we're getting it closer to what it's supposed to be. Yeah, everybody. Lunchtime. We just eat the foods, you know what I mean? And now we're basking in the sun, cause man, it was freezing this morning. There's still ice here. You know what I mean? But it is melting. So that is good. And yeah, for the time being, I'm just gonna soak it up for the next 5 minutes and put some clear on the Civic. The Civic is based, as you probably saw in that last clip. So yeah, we're done with that now. We're done with that. We made it, guys. We made it. So what's next? What? I don't know. Oh, you know what is next? I haven't shown you guys, have you? Or have I? Hold on. Walk with me. Walk with me. That's the next project right there. That's the next project. So I'm putting a fender on it, putting a door on it. We're repairing the bumper. We're fixing all these rust spots and rock chips. Yeah, that's the repair on the bumper. That's where most of the repair is, I think, cracked up and stuff. And then the quarter panel, you can see the little bit of primer. Let me just bring you guys around here. Why not? So there's a repair here. I'm going to be painting this. I don't know if I love how the fitment is on the taillight, but who knows? It might not be fully bolted in. But yeah, we're painting this. I'm not sure if we're doing the rear bumper. Probably should, because as you see, it's scratched up. So yeah man. Civic SI, is it open? It is open. Check it out. Got the 3 pedal madness. Interior kind of clean too. Know what I mean, what you call these? Semi-bucket seats? I don't know if they're full bucket seats. 6-speed transmission. You know. But yeah. Don't know why Titans like that. Yeah, man. SI. See. So yeah, that might be next. That old truck might be next. Not sure. But you know, we're just gonna keep you guys posted as usual. Hope you're enjoying the channel. Please let me know if there's anything you'd like to see. You know, just like drop it in the comments. I read all the comments. Like, I don't try, I read all the comments. So it's like until that day comes when it is too overwhelming, I will continue to read the comments. And yeah, go out here. You know what I mean? I still need to fix the quarter panel. It's just a matter of making the time. Focusing on getting these jobs out the shop. You know what I mean? But yeah, Civic will get him time. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Where's everybody? 3:57 p.m. Both will leave the shop and pick up Racine. Productively, we got the Civic done. And we even paint that F-150 as me there show now. The white one, single stage. Just some little corrections we're making to that one. Oh my god. But yeah guys, day's done. We'll catch you tomorrow, you know what I mean? I hope you enjoyed this one. This might be a shorter video. There wasn't much happening today. But yeah man, keep it going. Hope everyone's having a great day, or had a great day, or a great night. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. So peace.